Inoxpa, a world-renowned manufacturer of stainless steel fluid handling equipment and premium supplier of process solutions for the food, dairy, beverage, cosmetic, and pharmaceutical industries. We are committed to providing solutions and technology to our customers around the world to improve people's standard of living in a sustainable way. A state-of-the-art pilot plant and training center, together with a worldwide network of Inoxpa branches and distributors, allows us to be close to our customer and provide outstanding level of support and service from project study, development, executions, and optimization up to after sales. Our goal is to make available to our customer the best possible solutions tailored to their specific needs for the production of liquid, viscose, and solid products. Solutions that add value to their products while guaranteeing a consistent high quality to increase competitiveness in a more and more demanding market without compromising in sustainability. Inoxpa is the right partner for all those companies looking for advanced solutions that maximize the return of investment through process optimization for the creation of high value-added products.